16 people got banned from Carnival for life. For one fight in the custom line, 16.
And that's not even the wildest one on this list.
Not even close. Somebody on here got banned forever over a single photo.
One picture, gone for life.
So this is what we did. We decided to pull the real stories, the ones that actually happened, banned for life. No coming back. And some of them you'll see coming. Some of them are gonna genuinely surprise you.
And here's why we're doing this. Because it's not to gawk at people. Every single one of these were completely avoidable. There's a line on a cruise ship, and most folks have no idea where it actually is until they've already crossed.
So we decided in this video that we were going to show you exactly where that line is so that you don't go get taken away over something dumb.
And on some of these, the whole group got banned, not just the one person acting up. So everybody's standing next to them. This isn't only about you misbehaving. It's about you traveling and who you're traveling with.
See, that's the whole part of this thing that's real. And we've been trying to tell y'all, you can lose your cruising over what your cousin did at 2 o'clock in the morning. You ain't even know.
First one, Royal Caribbean, Allure of the Seas. A woman climbs up onto her balcony railing, up on the rail, and holds the railing above her to pose for a photo.
So what you saying is this woman was on a railing, on a balcony, over the ocean.
For the gram.
Okay.
She never fell. Nothing happened to her. But another passenger who saw it reported it to guest services, and she was removed at the next port in Jamaica. Banned for life.
See, we keep telling you that's the one that gets people mad. She didn't even fall. And that's a good thing. Yes.
They're mad because she didn't fall.
But that's the whole point. The cruise line does not wait for you to fall. Climbing on that railing is zero tolerance because the next person who does it might not be so lucky.
That's your reporter mind answer right there. Somebody minded enough to actually say something. And honestly, they might have saved her life down the road.
All right, so let's get into story number 2. Let's take that same energy, crank it all the way up. Let's go to Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. Now, a man jumps off his balcony, deck 11, about 120 feet down into the water, while his boy films it for social media.
120 feet?
Yeah.
For a video?
He got rescued by a boat. They left him in Nassau to figure out his own way home. Banned for life. And every friend traveling with him, guess what? They were banned too.
Well, because when somebody goes overboard, the whole ship got to stop. They got to do the search. The Coast Guard got to get involved. Thousands of people's vacation is on pause. And it's one of the most serious things that can happen on a ship. And it's not for content.
No. All right, so let's get into story number 3. I got another one. All right.
Okay.
This one's from the top. Carnival Conquest. Summer. Cruise is over. Everybody's off the ship, standing in the customs line at the port of Miami. And a brawl breaks out. 16 people. I know you've seen it. It was all over social media.
It was crazy. 16
Cousins was at it, man.
16 people in the customs line. And it all started with 2 women, and it just like spread.
And don't come for us in the comments. We just keeping it real. You see, there was luggage getting thrown. People were grabbing everybody under customs and border protection, y'all. This is how serious it was. Carnival came out and said flat out, we don't tolerate such behavior. All 16 banned for life. How you gonna scrap in customs thinking you ain't going down?
And here's what I need people to hear. The cruise was already done.
Right.
They done had a good job, a good time. They done did everything. And presumably, I'm assuming. And now they can't cruise ever again because of 30 minutes.
And somebody said, allegedly, they were family.
That is crazy. Just know that the vacation ain't over till you in your car. Story number 4, and it's the same lesson from a different ship. P&O's Britannia, a Norwegian fueled cruise.
P&O?
Yes. One morning, group 16 people. 6 people end up assaulted. 2 people arrested, a man and a woman.
All right, so you already know the recipe on this one, right? Late night, open bar, been open all day, a crowd. That's how most every single one of these fight stories start. Because some people just want to be seen starting something.
Oh, absolutely. Nothing good happens on the top deck at 2 a.m. It all could have happened at 10 p.m. And if you ain't got no sense, you just ain't got no sense.
All right, so here's where this information gets useful for you. Because those first ones, You know better. Now, these next ones we about to run down, regular decent people get caught up by these all the time and they don't even know.
Number 1, drones, because you've brought your drone. You bring a drone and you fly it off the ship, though, banned on basically every cruise line. People think it's cool, a cool shot on the ship, but it's actually a hazard because you're over thousands of people. So just leave the drone.
First off, let me say I've never done that.
No.
I've brought it to do at port. Now, the next one shocks people every time. Smoking on your balcony.
Yeah.
See, first off, most lines, that's a hard no. One, because a lit cigarette in the ocean on a balcony is how ship fires start, y'all. And a fire at sea is one thing that scares the crew more than anything else.
Shoot,
now, people have been put off the ship for it. It's that serious.
Yeah, it is.
Just don't do it.
Don't do it.
No vaping, no nothing. There's designated areas. If you must puff in a designated spot. Yeah.
And number 3, wandering into crew-only areas. That crew-only door is not a suggestion. You go poking around back there and being nosy, trying to see what's behind the scenes, and you can find yourself removed. It's a security line, not a dare.
All right, so none of these 3 feel like a big deal when you're thinking about it in the moment, right? That's exactly why they get people all the time.
Now, this last one is different, and it's in my lane because it's not behavior, it's money. A guest on Norwegian took a $3,000 future cruise credit and then turned around and filed a credit card chargeback to get cash back on top of it.
The hustle is real, man. Are you serious?
They crazy out there. And the line banned them until the debt was actually paid back and the chargeback was reversed. So understand, you can lose your current cruising privileges over paperwork, y'all, not just fist fighting. So cruise lines track all of that, everything that you're doing on the sailing, the games with the money, and you gonna end up on that list.
All right, so this brings us to the whole honest part of who really needs to hear this.
If you are somebody who has a couple of drinks and then gets loud, or you travel with a big group of people and somebody always acts up, this is the video to send to them because you inherit their band. And if you're the type that films everything for the gram, just ask yourself from the start, is that really worth not cruising ever again?
Oh, and don't think they're not putting out a universal cruise ban list. So one is for all. Now, every one of these, the railing, the jump, the brawls comes down to the same 4 things: alcohol, a crowd, late nights, and a camera. You keep those 4 in check, then you'll never, ever end up on a list like this. Some of these... So no, we didn't make this to laugh at anybody. Some of these folks lost something they can't get back over a moment. They take back in a heartbeat.
The cruise ship feels like a bubble where regular rules just don't apply. And it's not. There are rules. There are security cameras everywhere, even if you don't see them. So climbing the rails, throwing hands, flying drones, gaming refunds, stay on the right side. And you never have to worry about any of that, y'all.
This cruise like somebody who wants to be welcomed back on the ship. We plan on sailing for the rest of our lives, and we want you right there with us.
If you've been rocking with us for a while, you know we're always going to give it to you straight, even when it's the unglamorous stuff nobody else is covering.
Because the goal with us was never to scare you, it's to keep you on the ship. Cruising is one of the best things we've ever done with our lives, and we are not about to let one dumb 30-second decision take that away from you. Not on our watch.
So, be great out there. Have the time of your life. Just keep your name off that list.
Now that you know who gets people banned, the next thing you should know is which ports the government is actually warning cruisers about in 2026. Some of these are on your itinerary right now.
We ranked all 7, and that video is right here.